Reserve and ROTC units. Well, meantime, to formally welcome everyone in today's culmination program of the 46th National Reservist Week 2025, we have the Deputy Chief of Staff for Reservist and Military Affairs, J9, Major General Harold N. Dagat, Philippine Air Force. Thank you very much to the Deputy Chief of Staff for Reservist and Military Affairs, J9. Ladies and gentlemen, may we invite your attention on the screens for the audiovisual presentation featuring the pre-National Reservist Week activities. Well, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the audiovisual presentation that featured the pre-National Reservist Week activities. Well, awards are tangible proofs of heroic acts, display of skills, competence, and excellence. The exemplary performance is recognized with a presentation of awards. We shall witness the awarding of the serving AFP reservists, officers, and enlisted, Best Reserve and ROTC units, and meeting Drama Director, Writer, and Cast. The guest of honor, Honorable Gilberto Sigilora Jr., is requested to present the awards with the Chief of Staff, Armed Forces of the Philippines, General Romus Bronner Jr., to be assisted by the Deputy Chief of Staff of Reservist and Military Affairs, J9, Major General Harold N. Dagat.
Pagdating naman ng final na yan, maayos na.
Sa part na to, awardan ng mga best of service, best units, best arrows, So, sige pa.
Well, congratulations to all the awardees. Thank you very much to our guest of honor speaker, the Secretary of National Defense, the Chief of Staff, Armed Forces of the Philippines, and the J9. Once again, a big hand for all the awardees. We shall now move on with the presentation of the total number of reservists. May we now call on the following Commander Reserve Command Philippine Army to present the number of the Philippine Army reservists. Major General Pablo E. Rustia, Commander Air Force Reserve Command Philippine Air Force, to present the